Hey guys, it's Simone, your Crossrope trainer. Thank you so much for joining me today. We have a quick 10.5-minute workout. This workout is perfect for beginners, for seniors, or any of those who might be needing something more low impact. We're going to be using a rebounder today, but if you do not have a rebounder, no worries, you can definitely do this on a mat with your ropeless. I will be using the half-pound ropeless set from Crossrope for the first half, and then I'm going to be switching over to my 1 pound. We are going to be working for 30 seconds, resting for 15. I will walk you through everything, so let's get started. All right, guys, we are going to get started in about 20 seconds. Go ahead and grab your ropeless. I am starting with my half-pound ropeless set here. We are going to be starting off with a basic bounce, so we're right here. Little bounces, soft on our feet, and then we're adding in those ropes. Match up that timing. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Core is nice and tight, elbows are in. We're staying nice and light on those feet. So a little bounce here. Very good, we got 30 seconds of rest and then 15 seconds of rest. We are halfway through. Keep going, nice and light on those feet. Very good. Few seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, moving on to our jump rope jacks. We're gonna be here. We're gonna be stepping it out. All right, if this feels good, go ahead and join me. 3, 2, 1. If this feels good, we're jumping it out right here. Again, work on that timing. Our ropeless should be spinning in the same direction at the same speed. Our elbows are in, so that means our arms are not way out here. Timing those jumps with the rotation of the ropes. 3, 2, 1. Good, rest. All right, moving on to scissor jump. We're going to be rotating and then just stepping those feet forward right here. Alternate which foot taps forward. 3, 2, 1. If this feels good, go ahead and join me. We're right here. Adding that bounce, meeting our feet in the middle, and alternating which foot taps forward. We've got about 15 seconds left. Breathe through it. Lots of coordination going on right now. Good. We are almost there. 3, 2, 1, time. Very good. All right. So we are adding those two together now. We're going to do a jump rope jack with a scissor jump. So if we're stepping it out, looks like this. Step out to the side, step forward. Step out to the side, step forward. Go ahead and join me. Side, forward, side, forward. If this feels good, we're adding in that bounce. Match those jumps with the rotations of the ropes. This feels good. We're amping it up, moving both feet at the same time. Jack, scissor, jack, scissor, jack, scissor, jack, scissor. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and time. Very good. We are moving on to cross feet. We're stepping it out. It looks like this. We are just crossing those feet over. If it feels good to add in that bounce, add the bounce in. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I like to alternate which foot goes forward each time. Again, elbows are in, chest is up, core is tight. Working on the timing of everything. Nice job, guys. Keep going. We're almost through. Nice job. 3, 2, 1, time. Very good. All right, moving on to our twister jump. If we're stepping it out, it looks like this. We're tapping our foot forward and then just twisting through our core, kind of popping that hip forward. All right, if this feels good, we're adding a bounce. Twist, bounce, twist, bounce. You can speed it up or slow it down. Do what feels good for you. Again, this is gonna be working the coordination. It's okay if you need to pause and kind of reset everything, go ahead and do that. Core is nice and tight. We're landing soft on those feet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right. We are combining those two. Get ready to work out the brain as well. So if you're tapping it out, you're crossing that foot forward and then twisting and popping that hip. All right. This feels good. We're doing a cross and a twist. A cross and a twist. Cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist. I'm getting all wonky. Cross, twist. There we go. Cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist. Good workout for the brain. Keeping everything challenged. This is good. A few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and very good. All right, 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and switch out my attachments real quick. I'm going to the 1 pound. We're repeating everything and then we'll be done. About 15 seconds left. We're going to be starting off with our basic bounce. If you're switching to the 1 pound, you're just going to feel it a little bit more in your arms. Here we go. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Basic bounce right here. All right, we've got 30 seconds on the clock. We're just doing a nice basic bounce, soft on those feet, rotating those ropes at the same speed, same direction. Core is nice and tight. Here we go. Almost done. 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, moving into those jump rope jacks. You should know it well. If you can amp it up this next round. Try to push a little bit more if you can. Here we go. Whoops, jump rope jacks. But still keep it safe. You do you. All right, there we go. Core is nice and tight, legs are working, arms are working. All right, we've got 10 seconds left on the clock. 3, 2, 1, rest. All right, moving into those scissor jumps next. Nice deep breath. Roll the shoulders back. Make sure our chest is up nice and proud. We've got good form. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, scissor jumps. If you're adding a little bounce in the middle, are you able just to scissor those feet back and forth? Can you take out that middle jump? If it feels good to stay here, stay here. All right. 10 seconds left. Any little bit that you can push yourself, just amp it up a little bit, even if it's just for a few seconds. It's amazing, and it's amazing how quickly the body will adapt. All right, we are combining those two. Get ready for a little brain challenge. We are doing our jumping jack and our scissor jump. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. We've got a jack into a scissor. Jack, scissor, jack, scissor, jack, scissor. Good. Nice job. We are moving through this. You guys are doing awesome. Keep breathing through it. Check in with that form. All right, few seconds left. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, time. Good. All right, moving on to our cross feet. All right, nice deep breath. Here we go. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, cross feet. All right, form check. Core is nice and tight. We're landing soft. Elbows are in, chest is up. We've got nice, good form. We're connecting with what we're working with. Mind-body connection. Here we go. Nice job. A few more seconds. 1, and rest. Very good. All right, moving on to our twister jump next. Use that core to rotate. All right. Woo, here we go. 3, 2, 1. If you want to try to amp this up, try to take that twist out of the middle. So we're just twisting left and right. Whoa, a little bit tougher, a little bit more control needed, but you can do it. We've got 10 seconds left. Woo, if you need a reset, reset. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, worked my brain a little bit more. That was a little tougher to keep everything going nice and straight. All right, we are combining those two together. Start off slow, get your rhythm, and then increase the speed. There we go, cross feet and twist. Cross feet and twist. Cross, twist. Cross, twist. Cross, twist. Cross, twist. Cross. Use that core. Cross, twist. Ooh, cross, twist. Cross, twist. Cross, twist. Cross, twist. We got 3 seconds. Here we go. You can do it. 3, 2, and 1. A long 3 seconds. All right. Nice job, guys. I hope you enjoy the workout. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. If you have any requests for any other types of workouts, anything that you'd like to see on the channel, please, please, please let us know in the comments. Take a couple of minutes to cool down, to stretch, and get that heart rate back down to normal. Until next time, chill vibes and high fives.